Hello everyone! Brichem abuam. Yiddish is a language that is built on idioms and expressions. We may need to borrow half of our everyday words from different languages, but we sure have our own 1,000 ways of saying that someone has lost their marbles. I've done a video before on Yiddish idioms and expressions, but there's no way I could fit it all into a 5-minute video. Today, I'll be sharing some more with you to up your Yiddish vocabulary. Buckle in for Yiddish idioms and expressions, part 2. Here we go! A Mensch tracht, in Gott lacht. A Mensch tracht, in Gott lacht. A person thinks, and God laughs. It's a common expression which means you may be making plans, predicting things, or expecting something, but God is more powerful than your organization skills and can change everything in the blink of an eye. So while you're down here mapping out an entire evening that just has to go as planned, God's howling with laughter up there, already changing your fate.
That was not Mozart laughing, Father. That was God. That was God laughing at me.
Gorniשט in נישט. Gorniשט in נישט. For nothing and for not. This is an extreme way of expressing for no reason at all. It's often used in situations like when you went out of your way to do something nice for someone, only to realize it wasn't even necessary. I did that gorniשט in נישט. Or when someone starts up with someone else just for kicks. Gorniשט in נישט. Fin hoidi bis kish. Fin hoidi bis kish. From India to Ethiopia. It's just a way of emphasizing that you're talking about a very vast area. It originates from the Purim story, when King Ahasuerus of Persia owned all the land from India to Ethiopia in the year 360 CE. Meshuga via Baarg. Meshuga via Baarg. As crazy as a mountain. It just means very crazy. I don't know why the word mountain is used to express this, but it's commonly heard. Ayur in a mittwoch. Ayur in a mittwoch. A year and a Wednesday. This means a very long time. For example, Ich wart schon für a Jahr in a mittwoch. I've been waiting for a year and a Wednesday. I've been waiting for a very long time. Shikir vi lot. Shikir vi lot. As drunk as Lot. According to the Torah, Lot, the nephew of our forefather Abraham, was given a lot of alcohol to drink by his daughters who wanted to trick him. When we want to say in a creative way that someone is absolutely hammered, we say they're as drunk as Lot.
I could get more party for the booze.
Hack mir nicht den Tsheinik. Hack mir nicht den Tsheinik. Don't knock my teapot. It's a cute and funny way of saying, stop bothering me with your bullshit. Phaarikt of Tozont. Phaarikt of Tozont. 1,000 crazy. Yet another way of expressing that someone is off their rocker in Yiddish. That's it for today. Try to use these when practicing your Yiddish to make your speech a bit more colorful. After all, Yiddish speakers will appreciate it. Which one of these appealed to you the most? Let me know in the comments. Tak für die Dag, Litraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!
Weil nur der ist der, wo's weiß, was wird sein.